The external gourmet area, composed of movable pieces and capable of being configured in various ways, reconfiguring the environment, precedes the modular concept of this house. Valuing the essential is what architect Duda Porto sought in his Lite House during the 33rd edition of CASACOR São Paulo, the largest national architecture exhibition. Executed in just 40 days, it is a self-sufficient, modular, and sustainable construction with clean and quick execution. Here, the wooden deck leads through the stone path. The Lite House was born from the quest for less excess and more essence. The Lite system is based on architecture of planning and efficiency, where every detail is designed for the best use of materials, transportation, integration between humans, architecture, and the surrounding space. The idea is to seek a perfect balance between nature and inhabitant, using technologies and essential architectural lines to create a cozy and contemporary home with minimal environmental impact. The Lite House features a modular system that makes it nomadic, capable of being dismantled, transported, and reassembled anywhere. This system emerged as a solution for a new way of living, but harks back to the past with the idea of nomadism. The house adapts to different stages of life, being essentially flexible, sustainable, and mobile. Large windows and folding doors with muxarabi allow the home to be bathed in natural light and frame the greenery of the landscaping. Its floor plan comprises one bedroom but can accommodate up to 4, depending on the family's desire and size, as well as allowing for kitchen expansion. The house is entirely made with a steel frame structure, eliminating the need for concrete. This made the construction clean, with low water consumption and minimal pollutant emissions. The project includes 120 square meters of internal area and 70 square meters of external area, resulting in an open concept dwelling where furniture arrangement helps delineate the functions of the house. Without barriers, the house is perfect for communion and conversations among friends and family. The bookshelf serves as a divider for the area encompassing the bedroom, and the fireplace brings all the coziness for chilly days. A bit more secluded, the intimate area has a natural stone wall, Lolina stone, bringing even more warmth. The floors are covered with oak, and the ceiling is made of wood. Inside, there are designer furniture pieces, all in neutral tones ranging from light to woody, composing a rustic yet very sophisticated home. Dismountable, the Lite House can be easily transported to other plots if the family desires. An idea that fully aligns with the exhibition's theme, which sees the home as the private universe of each individual, where changes and new connections bring transformations. The architecture of Lite is neutral, designed so that the owner can live wherever they wish, be it in an urban setting, in the mountains, or by the beach. An example of this is its external still frame wall covered with Miratima stone, a charming detail of the project. It was developed to be clad with local products, adaptable according to the house's destination.